Design-wise, one of the things that works best is to plant your plants in groups of 3. So we're going to put 3 back in the same hole that we took our spent petunias out of. Clean out the hole a little bit here. You sit it firmly in the hole that you've made, and then backfill, being very careful to press down firmly and make sure that all the air pockets are out of the plant. If air pockets are left around the root ball, it will cause the plant to fail. Get this hole a little bit bigger here. But we're planting our periwinkle. The Latin name is Vinca minor. Press down very firmly, make sure there's no air pockets there. Here I'm using a time-release formula. This will feed the plant for about 90 days. 1 tablespoon per 4-inch plant. Now we're going to water in our new plants with a root stimulator using directions on the container. I'm using 4 tablespoons because this is a 2-gallon watering can. Make sure it's mixed and dissolved real well. Water them in. Notice that I'm putting the liquid around the plant as well as on the plant. This ensures that the entire area where the root ball is thoroughly saturated. There you have it.